Hello and greeting of the Baha'i greeting, Aloha to all the people of the planet Earth. I am Abbas Tamuri, the elder of Baha'u'llah, speaking to you about this reconstruction of the Baha'i faith. The topics was on the ethical values. We were continuing. We spoke a few things in the past, and there are some negative aspects of the ethics that has been adopted by the people from the past and now even, or perhaps in the future. So I thought to take on some of these topics, maybe utter a few words and share my opinion. One of them is actually racism. Is an ethical standing of some of the people on the planet, and originally the white people, I would say of the Europe, especially English people, were accused of this racism, but recently we have seen that it has metamorphosized itself, this sickness, in different ways. Such as countries of Rwanda, and you know well about it, how half the nation, more than 500,000 people were decimated by their own countrymen. They were all black people of Africa, but different, groups and tribes. So it's not something that's particular to one particular nation, really. It's not. I would have wanted to talk about this when I'm talking the relationship of men to the society and where racism kicks in. But I thought maybe we should, speak a little bit about this since I've been in this country ever since 1984. I have witnessed that a lot of time in Canada from some people. Fortunately, in Canada, maybe 1% of the people I chose racism towards me, my religion, maybe my names, where I come from. Not to the point to hate me, but maybe not to trust me enough to give me, for example, jobs or contract. So this racism so-called, I use the word, but I'm going to change it later on. It's mechanized differently. Sometimes the basis of that is simply economy. Economy can trigger it. And it is when different, group of people, a minority we call them, they enter, in a group, or they are in a group of majority, and in the course of time, of course, they're singled out because of their religion, because of their cultures. Let's say their culture doesn't allow them to marry the people of different religion or different way of their dressing or clothing themselves or their attire. The culture differences are there, and so they kind of grow within the society and create another society going parallel with the other society. So it just creates a kind of a competition. If they were married and intermarried and this and that, they would say that, well, we would be gone. Then you were decimated and there's no sign of us. We don't want to do that. We'd rather be who we are, and we live on the side of the other people. And then for the balance of the power, because they're minorities, so what they do, usually that's what happens, minority gets under pressure of the majority, and because of that, they're more, they're more intelligent, they're more cautious. So they usually become more educated. Their children's, they themselves are closer together. That's a good thing. And as a result of these educations or whatever that they do, they become richer in the society. So now you're different from the other people and you're singled out already. but you're also richer than other people. Okay, that is now kicks the racism. This is why one of the weakest politicians of the time, a real wicked man, is Hitler. He used this mechanism of the Machiavellism, really, against the poor Jews in Germany. He basically said to Germans, look, these guys are not like us, their religion is different, and now we owe them money too, they're richer, why do we need them? They're just a small part of the society, let's just decimate them. And people are simple, they don't know, they think, okay, we are coming here to steal the jobs from Canadians and all that and this and that. So they feed on that. The ignorance is very easily, you can feed them. A lot of people, they think that. You just imagine the people in British Columbia, the Chinese and the East Indians, if they were not there, what would have happened to that economy? Those who know, they know what I'm talking about. These people, they come and work, husband and wife, they don't smoke, they don't drink, therefore they become a little richer, they go buy houses, fix houses. As a result, the municipality become richer because they get taxes from them. They in return pay taxes to the government, and it's just simply richer. When the minister, I remember the time of Mulroney, said that immigrants are the backbone of this our economy. They are very good. We have no complaint from them. In this phrase, that's what he was trying to say. So this is where it comes. And there are other, we get deeper into this matter of the racism. We can see there's different ways that people become racist. It seems there are some sociological, psychological reasons for it too. It's not just economy. Most people, many people I know in life, they're hard for them to change or accept changes. A friend of mine says, my dad gets out of the bedroom, goes 10 paces on the right hand side, that's where the toilet is. We tried to buy a bigger house, and he wasn't happy. He says, that's my toilet from the bedroom is 5 paces to the right and the toilet is not. You see, they don't like changes. So it's the conformity versus diversity. That's the real mechanism of causing racism. A stagnation of thoughts, of mind, not wanting to accept and discover and explore other people, other cultures. And simply you see that, okay, our number gets bigger and bigger and bigger. We're the lazy side of the society, and these guys, so they pick on them, mock them, joke them, all kind of ways. Baha'i faith says that you can fix this. The solution to this is really in the golden word of Shoei Effendi, the divine guardian of the faith, the infallible guardian of the Baha'i faith. It says unity in diversity. We have to, he says that, be united. But we're not going to price for this unity to be confirmed with other people. If I have to get united in a society where, everybody dyes their hair red or green, I'm not going to go there and say that, okay, I'm going to change my hair green or red to be like you. He says that you do not need to do that. You stay different, but understand that difference is not bad. Difference is something that it might look annoying in the beginning, but you have to discover and explore the person. Go talk to him, ask him questions. When you know him, then you will start to like him. So we need to, through the education, understand how to get together with other people through this understand the diversity and the conformity. This is the thing that we have to know. So when you look at today, really, those races of the past that they were looking at the color of their skins, they're changed. It's no longer that is the issue. What really is the problem is that the information age, the scientific technologies, these technologies, they bring us together. Cell phone, computer. We know so much about other people. And knowing them makes us right in front of them. And we do not know anything about them, just like they are in front of us right now. Because we do not know, we're not prepared. When we brought together by these waves of technologies, since we're not prepared, we haven't learned the art of communications, then we're not comfortable. It's very clear, that this creates a problem. I remember the movie Guess Who's Coming for Dinner, Sidney Poitier was playing in that. And I think Spencer Tracy was the other one with that Katharine Hepburn, I think. In the movie, he was an activist against racism and whatnot.